Hey guys, it's Melissa. We just had a really fabulous holiday party here at home, which means that I really would like to tell you about my Chia Pets. Here they are. So I am one of those people who thinks of Chia Pets when I think of the holidays, and now that I have children, it's really fun that I have been collecting Chia Pets for years now. This year we started and planted them just before Thanksgiving, so this is 11 days of growth. And it was super fun to do with my kids because chia seeds are really gelatinous. If any of you are like health nuts and you do chia puddings or have put chia seeds in drinks, and they get really gooey, sort of like jello, and they're really fun for kids. So I just wanted to plant that seed that if you are hosting holiday parties or if you have the same sort of retro flair that I do, you might look into getting your old Chia Pet out or ordering a new Chia Pet. I think that the old ones are really the most charming, like the ram and the bull were the original ones marketed in the 80s. So if you're a child of the 80s like me, you'll remember them. And then I also have some of these more authentic ones that are the original Mexican ones, and they have like crazy ears. This one has 3 horns because it's super mythical. You know, you can get them modern or cartoon characters nowadays, or something as freakish as this 3-horned, 2-eared, googly eyeball sheep of some kind. Anyway, we had such a special party, but I will say that little things like this really make parties a little bit different, and everybody really got in the mood tonight, and we had a great time. Ours was a pre-Hanukkah party, but I feel like Chia Pets are non-denominational. So whatever you're celebrating this holiday season, and especially if you have kids, I hope you'll involve them with a Chia Pet activity. And even if you don't have a Chia Pet, we even just got out this cute little snail flower pot, and so if you have chia seeds hanging out around the house, you can plant them, and they are super festive and super fun. Have a great evening, and thanks for stopping by my after party. I just had to get this off my chest. Let me know what you think down below, and if you have a Chia Pet in your cupboard, I really want to know about it, and I'd love to know when was the last time you planted yours. Take care. Bye-bye.
So we just put them in our hand and then move it on the animal. Doesn't matter what kind of animal it is. You can guess what animal it is. Sometimes it's a little hard. But whatever animal it is, it has to be a Chia Pet. It's okay if your hands get dirty. You just have to make sure that all of it, whatever kind of animal it is, it just has to get seeds on it.